Hey everyone, most people lose money trading meme coins, but I've banked over $850,000 by being the person who actually launches them. It isn't luck, it's about control, because the developers are the ones who build the charts and engineer the hype that everyone else chases. While traders fight for it 2 times, the dev makes money every time through creator rewards and bundled positions, regardless of whether you win or lose. I'm breaking down my exact strategy so you can stop gambling on other people's projects and finally start building your own. Let's get straight to it. To get a free sol right now, keep a close watch on this video. I will be dropping 1 sol for multiple peoples in random spots throughout the video. Stay until the finish so you can grab your chance. I can refresh this so you can see I'm legit. The balance stays exactly the same. This is not to flex. Just so you know, I actually know what I'm talking about. Over the last few months, I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars launching meme coins. This one made me $5,000. This one made me almost $14,000. This one made me almost $7,000. This one made me almost $15,000. And the one I just showed you pulled in over $29,000. I'm not gatekeeping this. I'm showing you exactly how it's done. Look, you already know devs make the real money. I'm not going to preach about that today. Today is about exactly how you guarantee buyers the second you launch. At any given moment, there are tens of thousands of traders sitting on what we call CT trackers, crypto Twitter trackers. They are watching politicians, celebrities, Elon Musk, and Donald Trump. As soon as one of these massive accounts tweets a picture of a dog or a funny meme, those traders rush to Dex Screener to buy the first coin with that name. Traders have made millions doing this, but the problem is they are competing with hundreds of snipers and bots. By the time they buy, they are already exiting liquidity. If you want to make real money, you don't jump on a tracker to buy. You jump on a tracker to deploy. We are going to be the dev they buy from. By the way, bro, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Cool, let's get into the live launch. To do this fast enough, you cannot use slow platforms. We are using Pump.Fun. Every coin you launch here goes straight to Radium instantly. No bonding curve, no waiting. When that viral idea drops, you have to be first. Pump.Fun lets you deploy a token in under 15 seconds. There are 12,000 plus active traders on Radium right now, just waiting for these narrative coins to pop up. Connect the Phantom wallet. Now I click on the copy trending coins feature. You can see right here a list of coins that are already going viral. So just refresh the token so new tokens appear. Look at this one. This matches the exact Twitter narrative that is blowing up right now. Instead of building from scratch, I literally just pick this trending coin. I click on it and it automatically has the name, the symbol, and the image ready. I don't have to type anything. I click the copy to Radium button. Wait for the Phantom wallet to pop up. You'll see a warning pop up that's completely normal on every launch pad. Just ignore it, it's safe. I'm hitting confirm, give it a few seconds, and boom, the coin gets created and lives on the blockchain. If I open SolScan for proof, you can see it was created just 11 seconds ago. Everything is working perfectly. Everything is legit. Now let's create our liquidity pool. This is where we set up the Radium liquidity pool and basically build the backbone of the coin. This is how we allocate the supply and get our token live on Radium before everyone else, so we're early in control. For the token amount, just click on 90% and you'll see that preset in the middle. That will allocate around 900 million tokens into the pool. Now for the SOL pairing, this is where you're putting a bit of SOL and swapping it into your own token supply. This is what allows you to profit when more buyers come in and the coin gets attention. That's exactly how you make money as the creator. Now put around 0.3 to 1 SOL. And don't worry, you're not losing this. You can always get it back when you exit. Now click on Create Pool. Wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up. You'll see the warning again, just ignore it. Click Confirm. Hold a second and pool is successfully created and open for people to trade. After that, your profits and all the stats will show right there. If you want to check your gains, just click refresh again. As you can see, we're already up $115 in P&L, which means people are buying and the coin is active. Now go to any trading terminal to view your coin. I use Photon, let it load properly and you can clearly see the volume coming in, lots of transactions happening, but launching is only half the battle. If nobody knows the coin exists, nobody buys. We are going straight to promote memes.fun. This gets you instant exposure on Deck Screener, GMGN, and Bird Eye automatically. Let's do it live. Connect your Phantom wallet, paste your token address, and choose your package. I'm going with the advanced 0.5 SOL option for max reach. You can choose anything. Just make sure you enable include free website. That part is very important. Upload your logo, set your token name. I'll call this one Moby. Select Radium and select your preferred theme. I'm selecting dark and confirm. Now click pay and promote. Your wallet pops up for confirmation. Click confirm and then approve the transaction in Phantom. And that's it, you're done. Now watch this. Within seconds, it builds a clean website and starts promoting your coin to thousands of traders. And boom, the website is ready. Open it and you'll see a proper landing page with token details, tokenomics, and chart links. Now go back to Photon and watch your chart start moving live. Oh my God, just look at this. We're already up around $500 to $1,000. Bang, bro. Buys are coming in and some buyers are also selling our coin. But this is okay. Oh my God, more people keep entering. I think we've hit around 2,000 profit already. That's crazy. We made this coin with almost nothing and now it's doing numbers. Anyways, I'm gonna let this coin sit for a bit, let it gain more traction and pump. Then I'll come back and show you how to cash out properly. I'm back and we're sitting at around 3,000 liquidity. That's actually insane. The coin already pumped hard, so yeah, I'm dumping my position now. Go back to launch meme.fun and refresh. As you can see, we're up around 2,000, which is honestly very good. For most people, that's huge. Now click the minus button, select 100% to remove all liquidity. Wait for Phantom Wallet, ignore the warning, click confirm, wait for a few seconds as liquidity is removing, bang, that's it, done. Now, if I open my wallet, boom, $1,942 received. This right here shows it clearly. Deving is way more powerful than trading. If you're still not convinced, I don't know what else will. This strategy is exactly how you stop being the exit liquidity and start printing. You track the news, you launch fast, and you let the traders do the work for you. Rinse and repeat that method over and over again. To win free souls for your launch costs, just subscribe, like the video, and comment meme coin below. I'm helping a lot of people get a head start before they build their next coin. The winners will be announced on my Discord and Telegram and will also join both groups. Without following, you'll not get any souls, so make sure you're following there to be eligible.